Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start now, unplug the cable and power off the device so you work safely. You will need a small screwdriver, a toothpick, a cotton swab, and 90% isopropyl. These remove grime without damage. First, visually inspect both the cable plug and the device port under good light. Look for debris, bent contacts, or a cracked plastic shell. If you see lint, gently tease it out with the toothpick, then blow it free. Make sure to avoid touching pins directly or pushing debris deeper. Once the port looks clear, use short bursts of compressed air or the toothpick to remove trapped lint. Do not probe with metal tools because that risks bending pins. Next, lightly moisten a cotton swab with 90% isopropyl and swab the connector and the port edges to dissolve oils. Then let everything dry for 5 to 10 minutes. If the cable's outer housing is loose, apply a tiny drop of non-conductive adhesive to the seam and clamp lightly for 10 to 15 minutes, so it sets without seeping into contacts. Now reconnect and test using a known good cable and charger so you can tell whether the cable, charger, or port is at fault. If the port shows bent pins, broken plastic, or intermittent connection after cleaning, stop and seek a professional for micro-soldering or port replacement. Attempting heavy repairs yourself may worsen it. For troubleshooting, perform a gentle wiggle test while noting charge indicators or data transfer. If problems persist, swap devices to confirm whether the issue is.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.